Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DirectX error in Modern Warfare. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to update the GPU drivers. So most of the Modern Warfare 2 DirectX error Reddit solution suggests that the issue is most likely graphics related, so try updating your PC's graphics card drivers first before trying any other solution. And to do that, just first simply press Windows plus X key on your keyboard to open the quick access menu, and next click onto the device managers and then on display adapters. And then after that, right click on to the dedicated graphics card currently used and hit update driver. So just like as shown in the photo right here. And then next, what you can do after updating your GPU driver is to enable high performance mode and game mode. So graphics intensive games like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 require high performance power on the PC to let you enjoy playing without any lag. So you can turn on this setting in these following steps. So first navigate to the control panel and click on to the hardware and sounds, and next select the power options and click on to the show additional plans and enable the options for high performance. And additionally, just make sure to turn on the game mode on your PC, and to do that just simply go to your settings and click on to the gaming and then game mode right here, and then just switch the toggle bar for the game mode on. So just like right here, just toggle this on. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.